Hi, it's Pamela. In this tutorial, we're going to use several Voomly Cloud tools to make a weekly update video.
Hey, and welcome to the official Doodly YouTube channel. If you enjoy our content, please click the like and subscribe button below. Now let's get straight to the video.
Voomly Cloud is a suite of video tools that you can use to easily update your team or your customers with short weekly update videos. Today, we're going to use Doodly, Pyks, Talkia, and Voomly to do just that. I know it sounds like a lot, but it's not really that difficult. We're going to pretend that we operate a small candy factory and that we want to keep our team updated with a weekly update video. Here's the script that I'm going to use. While I could certainly record it with my voice, we can also use Talkia to do a text-to-speech voice, and that's what I'd like to do today. We're going to go ahead and open up Talkia. If you subscribe to Voomly Cloud, then you do have Doodly, Talkia, Pyks, and a couple other of these programs. I'm going to go ahead and click New Project, and let's give it a name. We'll just call it Acme Candy. And I'm just going to go ahead and paste my text in here. So that's fine. And before I add it to the timeline, let's pick a voice. By default, I've got this female voice here, and I do probably want a female voice. And let's just take a look. I have from all different countries.
This is a preview of my voice using the Talkia software.
So I'm going to choose Lisa, and I'm going to hit apply. And now I'm going to go ahead and add it to the timeline. And that's pretty much it. Let's just take a listen.
This week at Acme Candy Factory, we continued our no accidents streak. As of today, we've gone 305 days without an accident. Let's keep that up.
Okay, so it's okay. It's good enough for now. So I'm going to go ahead and hit export. And I'm just going to save it to my desktop. That's fine. And I'll just say Acme Candy voiceover. We go into Doodly, go to the beginning, hit sounds, hit the little plus sign, and you're just going to browse for your file. So my desktop, here it is. Hit continue. And let's go to the beginning here, and let's go ahead and just drag and drop this into place. And that's our voiceover. It is in here. So now all we need to do is start building our scenes. See how I have this logo in the lower corner of the little sample video here? I want to make something like that in Pyks so that every single scene of my video has the logo in it. Now let's open up Pyks. And again, this is part of the Voomly Cloud family. And I'm going to go up here and I'm going to say New, Custom Image, and this time I want to make it 1920 by 1080. And that'll be our horizontal rectangle, like so. Let's go to the Shapes tool, and we're just going to make a colored rectangle. Make sure this fills our entire screen, and that's fine. And let's choose a color. We could make it white, or maybe since we're doing a candy company, maybe we'll make it a fun color. Maybe let's make like a pinkish background. And maybe something like that, bubblegum pink. I don't know. We'll see. And here's my logo here. So I'm just going to go ahead and drag it in. Let's make sure we have the move tool selected. Now we can move it. And we'll just have it right down here in the bottom lower corner like that. That is it. That's my background. So I'm going to go ahead and hit export. Candy background. Go back into Doodly, and now we're going to go down to settings. Here's your standard whiteboard setting, right? Click here for custom. And we're going to do custom image, and we're going to browse for our file. And here it is. And I'm just going to make this large. And that'll be good. Done. And we have our logo there. Hit apply. And now every single scene that I have will automatically have this pink color with my logo. When it swipes between scenes, I want you to watch this logo.
Flying off the shelves. We sold over 1,000 boxes in the past.
Notice how it stays persistent, and I really like that. When I add a new scene, it automatically adds that, okay? So it's always going to be there. Okay, so we have used Talkia and Pyks. Now we're going to work on the Doodly part. This week at Acme Candy, so we're going to talk about our no accident streak. So let's go ahead and build that scene. Let's add the date. And let's add a character. see how that's looking so far.
This week at Acme Candy Factory, we continued our no accidents streak. As of today, we've gone 305 days without.
A few things I'm going to change right off the bat. I want erase mode off. And let's go with a cartoon hand. For Candy Factory, I just kind of think that they would be doing something kind of fun. So we'll go with an animated hand. For my little television monitor here, I'm just going to have that already drawn on. And I think I'll have my little guy already drawn on also. So then the hand's going to write on weekly update January 22nd, and then however many accidents. So we're going to choose something here. Okay, I think that's probably going to be good enough for our first scene. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put a little delay before that, and actually maybe a little delay before that.
This week at Acme Candy Factory, we continued our no accidents streak. As of today, we've gone 305 days without an accident. Let's keep that up. Remember,
It immediately swiped away after I wrote the accident-free days. So we want to change that. Let's go ahead and add some extra time at the end. Okay, so our second scene, I'm going to put some tips for the people to remember about how to stay accident-free. So let's go ahead and just type it in here. Okay, so we don't need our little lady here. Maybe we'll use her later. Let's add a new scene. We definitely want our happy little lady. I do kind of like her sitting on the logo, so we'll do that. So this is going to symbolize this box of candies flying off the shelf, okay? And then we're going to do a discount code. And this is going to be our final scene, so at the very end, let's add some time. Let's add some music. Go to Sounds, Category, Music, and we'll just pick something. We'll do Feeling Fine. I'm just going to move that down so it starts right away. And then at the end, I'm going to get rid of all this extra music that we don't need because it's too long. You just go to the end and hover until you get the two-sided cursor, like so. Just drag it. And then we're going to right-click, read out, stretch that. Okay, so that is the doodly part. The video's fine, and the last thing we want to do is get it up to Voomly Cloud. So how do we do that? Well, when you go to export, you have this option to upload to Voomly. So that's what I'm going to do. Let's choose our resolution. I'll do 720, and I'm going to hit export. And now Doodly is exporting this directly to my Voomly Cloud account. So here I am in Voomly Cloud, and I have my Doodly Movies folder, and you can see it's right there. You can recognize the pink. So I'm going to go ahead and open this folder, and here's the video. So you can see it playing. Let's just go ahead and click the three dots, and just take a quick look at what you can do. Customizing the video player. Okay, so there's all kinds of things you can do. Let's change this from a blue play bar to something different. So go to player skin. Let's just change the color. Let's go with another pink, just for fun. It's a little much, but that's okay. And then we'll just pick another look here. And then right here, you can share the page. And you just copy that to your clipboard and you share it. So let's go back over here and let's copy and paste that in. We'll pretend that we clicked it in an email or something. And this is what your employees will see. And let's take a quick look and we'll be done.
This week at Acme Candy Factory, we continued our no accidents streak. As of today, we've gone 305 days without an accident. Let's keep that up. Remember, take off all jewelry before entering the premises and review the safety data sheet before turning on equipment. Acme Taffy Delights is flying off the shelves. We sold over 1,000 boxes in the past week. Great job, team! Don't forget to let your friends and family know about our delicious taffy. Make them extra happy with a discount code, TaffyDelights20. Let's have another sweet week.
And there you have it. That's how you can use some of the tools that come included in Voomly Cloud to create your own weekly update Doodly video. I hope this gives you some ideas. Thank you for watching.